time of the year when you're trying to win as many games as possible, but you also want to see your young talent. Ray Knight is with one of the best infielders in that young category right now.
Thank you, Bob. Here with Danny Espinosa. Danny, I've been so impressed by the way you go out and hustle and go about your business. I mean, I haven't seen anybody in a long time play this hard. Is it something that you learned, your dad taught you? Where did all this energy come from?
I was just taught that, you play the game hard no matter what. No matter if there's a million people in the stands, there's 2 people in the stands, because it could be someone's first time seeing you or the last time seeing you, and you want to make a good impression on whoever's watching. Well,
you're doing a tremendous job. Unbelievable how hard you're playing. And it leads me into, we know you can hit a fastball. That became evident real early. It doesn't matter if it's right-handed or left-handed. What are you doing now that they're starting to throw you breaking balls and change-ups? I almost hit a change-up out the other night, 2-0. What adjustments are you making?
I've had to go back and look at film and see where they're pitching me and what they're throwing me. At the same time, I'm swinging that off-speed out of the zone. I'm not getting the off-speed in the zone to really do anything with it. So I just really need to be patient and allow the off-speed to come to me.
And you know that you can do that.
Right, I know I can do it. I need to trust myself to do it.
And are the adjustments bigger up here than they were in AA or AAA?
No, I don't think they're bigger. It's just you're not going to get as many pitches to hit. So you need to take advantage of the pitch that you get to hit. And if you miss it, you need to battle.
Oh, no question, Danny. Hey, and you're a battler. One of the members of our great rookie class coming up here, and in my opinion, maybe the best.